Good morning, children. How are you all? Are you fine? Okay. Today we are going to see a new lesson, The Grateful Tenant. Okay. Today's lesson is on Grateful Tenant. What is tenant? What is called tenant? How many of them are there present now in rented house? How many of them are there in rented house, or how many of them are in own house? Okay, few of them are in rented house. So few have the own house. The person who is owing his own house is owner, house owner, and the person who is living for rent, he is called the tenant. Okay, he is called the tenant. Today we are going to see a new lesson regarding the grateful tenant. See, before starting, I would like to ask you some question. Do you remember the person whom you loved? Okay. Do you remember those person, those people till now? Any of them? Anyone can tell. Yes, it may be your teachers, your old class teachers, your uncle, your grandmother. Very good, very good. So you remember those people. Why do you remember them? Why do you remember them? Why do you remember your old teacher? Why do you remember your Aji? Yes, because they have done something to you. They have helped you. They were kind to you. Some character or something which attracted you to remember. Okay, very good. How do we express that we remember them still? How do we express? How do we express? No answers? We express like when they have their birthday, we give them a present. Yes or no? Surprisingly, we go and give gift, remembering their birthday dates, Thanksgiving, any other important functions for them. Okay, we remember them and we give gifts to them, and we, for a remembrance, we keep their photographs in our room. Yes or no? These are some of the things that you can remember. Okay, come on, let's go to the lesson. See, I'll read the lesson. I went for morning walks every day. I enjoyed the stroll because of the scented breeze that blew from nearby gardens and also the mild warmth of the early sun. On one such day, I noticed a plaque on the wall near the gate entrance. It had the name of the house, Shyam Kamal, engraved on polished black granite. See, we are going to see a character. His name is Ramesh. Okay, his friend went out for walking in the morning. Okay, chill breeze is there. When he was slowly walking on the road with the scented breeze, he come to see a person house with the plague. Plague means it is a name plate fixed to the wall. Name plate means it will be like this. See here, this gold color. This is called name plate. See, principle is there, no? The name plate. Like that, people will write their own house. See, like LC Cottage. LC Joy Cottage, Grace Cottage, like that they will engrave that in that golden plate and hang it in the front of the house. Okay, see this look, this is a rented house. See, house owner will be in down or the top, and they'll give a house for rent, for paying. Okay, the person who is living for rent is called tenant. Okay, so like that Ramesh was a tenant for some people. Later on I am going to explain that, narrate the story. Okay, this golden color is the nameplate. Okay, this one, in this nameplate he has engraved on a polished black granite. It is not gold color, it is granite, black granite. Can you see this picture? That blue shirt is touching that. Yes, that one is name board. Okay, so I asked Ramesh why he had chosen this name for his house. So Ramesh is asking his friend, this person, this orange color shirt person is asking Ramesh, that blue color shirt person, why he had chosen this name for his home. So Ramesh is replying, it is a combination of names of the two people who changed my life, the ones I remember and thank each day, said Ramesh. Shyam Kamal stands for Shyama Rao and Kamala. Do you remember when I was in Dharwad, I used to stay with an old couple? So what is that Ramesh is telling? Ramesh started to recollect the story. See, he's telling this is not a single name. Shyam Kamal is not a single name. It is a combination of two peoples. That Shyama Rao, a boy, and Kamala, a girl, a male and a female name, he combined together and he kept as Shyam Kamal. Okay, because these two person have changed Ramesh life a lot, so he wanted to thank them each day. See, throughout his life he is remembering them, so they have done something greater to this Ramesh. That's why he is still remembering them. Where he stayed? He stayed in Dharwad. Dharwad, where is Dharwad? Dharwad is between Bangalore and Pune. It is in between center of Bangalore and Pune. Okay, actually it is located in northwestern part of Karnataka. Okay, it's near that Hubli and all is there, no? There. Okay, when I was in Dharwad, I used to stay with an old couple. They are very old. Next paragraph. And I remembered there was an elderly couple in Dharwad who used to rent out their house to college students. Ramesh had stayed there for 6 years. So how long he stayed there, Ramesh? He stayed there for 6 years. So this old couple, what they have did, see here, the front house they were living. Backside, a small building in the ground floor using at the back of the main house is called the outhouse. That outhouse they have left as rent for the students, college students. Okay, so with that money this old couple was living their life. Okay, Ramesh went on, at that time they supported me wholeheartedly in my decision to study in a bigger town. Shyama Rao was a retired postmaster and my father's friend. He gave me a place to stay in. So what Ramesh is telling, see, when he went to that place, Dharwad, he stayed in Shyama Rao's house. Shyama Rao, who is Shyama Rao? Shyama Rao was a retired postmaster. He is a retired postmaster. So if he is retired postmaster means maybe above 60 years, 60 plus. Okay, he is very old person. Okay, like our Tata. Okay, he was Ramesh father's friend. Ramesh father's friend. So Ramesh father have told him to stay in the outhouse. So he had took that house for rent and stayed in Shyama Rao's house. Okay. He gave me a place to stay in. Kamala boy that is Shyama Rao's wife, Kamala Bai, was so selfless that she would share her meals with me. See how beautifully that motherly thing, yes or no? So she is a old lady, but is like mother. She is feeding that Ramesh. She is not selfish. She was selfless and she shared her meals with Ramesh. And I enjoyed the meal so much and felt like I was having these meals with my mother. See how touching it is. He's telling that whenever he is having the meals, he won't miss his mother, it seems, because the cooking of the same like his mother, she used to cook, it seems. Okay. As Darwat was very famous for pida, Mr. Shamarao always brought pidas, and they did not let me go hungry for a single day and treated me like their son. If I was late in paying my college fees, he would lend some money for his major pension and help me out. See how beautifully they are helping. They are helping in his meals. They are providing food. Even Shamarao is buying and giving him snacks, pidas. And next, even when he is finding late difficulty in paying his fees, what Shamarao is doing? Shamarao is paying some money because he is already a retired person, so he will get only pension. But with the pension, from that pension, he is giving a small quantity of money to pay his fees, and later he will return it back. Okay. But you used to run errands for them and do odd jobs like going to the post office, buying fruit, vegetables, watering the plants, and pumping the water out of the tank. In fact, we used to call you the Man Friday behind your back, I replied. So, what that person is telling, see here, for example, I am telling maybe like this an old person. See this one, imagine, this is not them, but imagine. See, this person as Shyama Rao, this Tata as a Shyama Rao, and this Ajji as Kamala Bai. See how Ramesh have helped is ran and went and brought the groceries, vegetables, fruits. He went to the post office, watering the garden. So it is like that. Okay, he had helped him. See, Man Friday means a trustworthy character. Okay, a trustworthy character in one novel called Robinson Crusoe. Okay, in that the person name is Man Friday. Like that, they are calling him. The Ramesh friends are calling Ramesh as Man Friday because he is a trustworthy person for that old couple. Because he is helping all, he is doing all petty jobs. Okay, like that. I don't agree with that, said Ramesh. Think of the old couple. They were not well off, but they went out of their way to help me. Without their help, I do not know where I would have been today. So, how beautifully Ramesh is narrating that. See, without their help, he would not be here today because they have paid their fees, they have given their food. So how close they were looking after Ramesh as their own son. So that's why that bonding is there. But why did you name the house after them? I went back to my original question. So Ramesh friend again asking that Ramesh, then why did you name it as Shyam Kamal? So what the person is telling, it was my father's suggestion. Shyama Rao's friend. Who is Shyama Rao's friend? Ramesh father. So that's why the father is suggesting. He said there are some people who do things out of affection and not just out of duty, and they change your life with love and generosity. Yes, children, few are there in your life. It is like your mother. See, your mother and father, they won't look after you like it is as a duty. See, They show their love because God is given as a gift to your parents. So that's why mama and papa is doing everything for you without, before you ask, they are doing everything for you. Yes or no? They are paying your fees, they are making you to study, they are cooking delicious food, they are buying and giving you beautiful dresses, gifts, toys, whatever you want, because they show their real love. Okay, so that's why I tell you, when your parents become old, take care of them very well. That is the duty. That is your duty, children. Never forget to look after your parents. Never let them to any old age home. That is very bad, because when you're small, they are keeping you under your arms, they hug you, they kiss you, they love you so much. But when they are becoming old, when they can't do anything, what you should do? You should help them. In turn, you should take care of them like babies, because the old people can't do anything, yes or no, without help. So you should help them. Okay, even some teachers, some people like their teachers, class teachers, subject teachers. Why? Because they show their love while teaching, they show their real love. Okay, even my children should know their origins of my success. I also want them to understand the gratitude I feel towards Shyama Rao and Kamala Boy, not through mere words but through action. So what Ramesh is telling, it is not only for me, even my children should understand that how I have become this much successful, that is because of Shyama Rao and Kamala Boy. The person adding that it should not be simply saying in words, but this Ramesh is showing it through action. It is people like Ramesh who reaffirms our faith in humanity. Like reaffirm means prove again. Okay. See how beautiful story it is. Yes or no, children? How beautiful it is. Just a recap of this. Ramesh remembers those who have helped him when he was in Dharwad, and he stayed there for 6 years. At that time, he have helped his house owner, that is Mr. Shyama and Kamala Boy. He used to run errands for them, even though the old couples were not well off, but they went out of their way to help Ramesh. That's why he is still remembering them. Okay, he wanted his children also to remember this couples. Okay, what do you learn from this moral? We should love and be generous with our neighbors, with our friends, with our relatives, with our parents. It should not through mere words but through action. Okay, show your gratitude to others in action. Okay, very good, children. Hard words: plague, engraved, outhouse, selfless, merge, run errands, reaffirm, gratitude, generosity, suggestions. So today's homework: write the hard words 5 times. And was Kamala Boy selfish? Find out the answer, okay, from the book. How can you make old people happy? Very good answer. Sit quietly in a corner and think how you can make old people happy. Okay. Thank you, children.